What if the most important wellness story you've never heard of started with one man, a giant homemade microscope, and a beam of light in the 1930s? Dr. Royal Rife believed that specific frequencies matter, that instead of pushing harder with drugs or surgery, you could support the body by speaking to it in its own language, precise, low-energy frequencies. Fast forward to today. Rife wellness technology has evolved into non-invasive wellness devices that use a plasma tube to deliver those frequencies and support the body's God-designed ability to rebalance and restore, without needles, pills, or surgery. We wrote a book called The Rife Way that tells the incredible true story of Dr. Rife, how modern Rife wellness systems work, and how to start building a safe, structured frequency routine at home. Are you ready to feel like the real you again? If that sparks your curiosity, go to myedenlife.com and grab your free copy of the Rife Way book today. Education only, not medical advice.